What's up, guys? This is the Tillies. What?
You know you're trying to be funny. Go ahead.
This is the Tillies. It's February the 20th, Tuesday, and we have some good news. No, actually, we have great news to share it with you guys. What?
Tell them.
Let me start. So.
No. Don't tell him.
So.
Don't tell him.
As you guys know, it was Tara's birthday just this past weekend, February the 16th. So.
Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday. So. I believe I'm gonna let her share. I'm gonna let her introduce it or say what her present was to herself, or I guess from us to herself. That's it, right? Yeah,
So basically, we had been praying and asking God to bless us with another family member. I think I've said on the vlog before. You guys saw it on the dream board. It was on my dream board last year, actually. So we have been trying since like August and praying and being patient, because you have to be patient. And so I took a pregnancy test on my birthday. I just decided to take one out the blue because my cycle was like a day late or something. And yeah, so I went ahead and took it, and I expected it to be negative because, as I just said, we were trying since like August. So CJ was actually in the bathroom with me, and I put the test on the counter. So I put the little top on for those germaphobes. I put the top on and I put it on the countertop, and CJ actually saw it before I did. So his reaction was, I wish I could have got a picture, but do you remember what face you made? He was like,
not necessarily. I know my eyes got big, but
yes, he was brushing his teeth. His eyes got like super big. I put it behind me so I couldn't see it, and when I saw his face, I was like, what? And I turned around and looked, and
I don't think they can see it.
I see it.
Yeah, they can see it now. Plus
positive.
And another one, just in case I think we faking.
So we were like really excited, and after seeing this, and I was like, babe, do you want me to take another one? Because we only had one. I only had one in the house, and he was like, no, like that one is like legit a positive. So we didn't take another one. We just went out and enjoyed my day. That was like the best birthday gift ever. Like the night before I actually took the test, I was in the shower. I didn't even tell CJ. I was like in the shower praying, because CJ, every morning before he leaves to go to work, he prays over me and Taylor. And he had been praying every single day, like, God, please bless us with another baby, a healthy boy or girl. Like, it doesn't even matter which one. So every single day he would pray that prayer over us. And we were in the shower. I was in the shower, don't we?
All right, now you know your parents weren't here.
Oh, we're married, but I was in the shower, and I was like, God, like, we've been praying, like, I've been patient, like, I've had faith in you. You said that I could have the desires of my heart, and I know that you know that I desire this. So tomorrow's my birthday. I'm gonna take this test, and please let it be positive. Let me receive a healthy baby, boy or girl. And so yeah, he answered my prayers once again. So we're already like checking stuff off our dream board for this year. So yesterday, actually, I decided to take another test. I went to Dollar Tree and got a $1 test, because I'm like, I'm not, okay, I'm gonna tell you guys like the symptoms and stuff that I'm feeling and stuff, but they're not deep. So I was like, let me take another test. And so I got a Dollar Tree one, and this is that test. Babe, why are you coming in with me?
I'm helping you out. You can't tell if they can see it or not.
I can.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so this is that test. Another clear.
Yeah.
Another clear positive.
Yeah.
So we are so excited. We haven't told Taylor yet. I'll probably end up having to take her to the doctor's appointment with me anyway. You guys will probably see this after the doctor's appointment. But yeah, so we are just so excited. And CJ he wasn't expecting it. You silly. He wasn't expecting it because like I wasn't really Like I haven't been sick at all. Oh, let me back up. I'm 4 weeks. I'll be 5 weeks tomorrow. So I'll be 5 weeks tomorrow. And the only symptom that I've had is that my breasts have been kind of sore. But you can go now if you want. Say peace out, babe. Tell them bye. Come on, man. We have to edit this.
I'm on the session.
Just a little, but it's okay.
Ew, no, we gotta do this over.
No.
Nah, we gotta do this over, yo.
Babe, go.
Nah, seriously, though.
No, you look fine. Seriously.
Nah, we gotta do this over here. I'm not playing.
I'm not doing it over. Because I have a call in like
10
minutes. Go. I have to go. Alright. So, symptoms. My breasts were a little sore. I had been like extremely tired. I went to a baby shower last weekend, so the weekend before my birthday. And before I left, I was like, everybody was getting ready in the house. And I was like, I know I need to get ready right now, but I just have to lay down and take a nap. Like, I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. Like, I didn't feel good. I felt like fatigued. And so I took a nap really quick, got up. And when I woke up, I was like, oh my God, I feel like so sluggish or something. And so that was like another sign, I guess, but I didn't realize I had even had that sign until after. I have not been sick at all though. I have been, since I found out, I've been waking up at like 5 in the morning every single morning, not night, morning, or every single day. I'll wake up at like 5 in the morning. So I don't know what that is about. I think I did that with Taylor too. But yeah, so I'm so excited. We're so excited. I don't care if we have a boy or girl. Like, I'm just so blessed to be able to have another child. So yeah, that's everything. I have to get going now because I have a call. I will be keeping you guys updated. Hopefully, yeah, weekly. Like, I got y'all. We're gonna do this weekly thing. I'm gonna tell you guys what's going on week to week. So this video will probably be a compilation, I think that's the word, of week 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11, 12. So I'll let you guys know the whole journey until I, you know, release this information to social media.